Maca is a Peruvian plant grown in the Andes Mountains. It is a cruciferous vegetable, meaning that it is related to broccoli, cabbage, and kale. 10 benefits. There is a range of potential benefits of maca root. 1. Increasing libido. The most well-known benefit of maca root is its potential to increase libido. There is some scientific evidence to support this claim. For example, a study found that men who took 1.5 or 3 grams g of maca per day experienced increased libido compared to those who received a placebo. 2. Reducing erectile dysfunction. Maca root could also have benefits for people with erectile dysfunction (ED). A small study in 2009 looked at the effect of consuming 2.4 grams of maca root per day for 12 weeks on participants' perception of their general and sexual well-being. The study participants were males with mild ED. Those taking maca root experienced a more significant increase in sexual well-being than those taking a placebo. 3. Boosting energy and endurance. Some athletes and bodybuilders use maca root as a supplement to increase energy and performance. Some evidence exists to support this. A study found that using maca extract for 14 days improved performance for male cyclists in a 40-kilometer time trial. However, the results were not significantly different from the improvement seen in those taking a placebo. However, the same study found that maca extract improved libido in the participants who used it. However, the sample size of this study was very small, so more research is needed to confirm the results. 4. Increasing fertility. Another widespread use of maca root is to increase fertility, particularly in men. 5. Improving mood. Maca contains flavonoids, which are thought to improve mood and reduce anxiety. A study in 14 postmenopausal women found that maca may reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. 6. Reducing blood pressure. It is possible that maca root can also help to improve blood pressure. The same study also found that 3.3 grams of maca per day for 12 weeks lowered blood pressure in Chinese postmenopausal women. 7. Reducing sun damage. Maca might help protect the skin from UV rays. Maca leaves might help prevent the formation of sunburn cells. 8. Fighting free radicals. Maca root also promotes natural antioxidants in the body, such as glutathione and superoxide dismutase. Antioxidants help to fight off free radicals, which can damage cells in the body. Some people believe antioxidants can help prevent some health conditions, including heart disease and cancer. 9. Reducing menopause symptoms. During perimenopause, the stage before a woman reaches menopause, estrogen levels fluctuate and cause a variety of symptoms. Luckily, some proponents of maca root believe it may help balance levels of the hormone estrogen. 10. Improving learning and memory. There is some evidence to suggest that maca can improve learning and memory. For example, maca could improve memory in mice. A review of the literature suggested that maca may have benefits for learning and memory performance. Researchers suggest that it could be helpful in treating conditions that affect these processes, such as Alzheimer's disease. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more interesting videos, subscribe to the channel.